If you want to be able to make more money with less effort, this is the EFT tapping session for you. A lot of the time when we're not allowing more money or abundance into our life, it's not because the opportunity isn't there. It's because we have our own subconscious beliefs, areas of self-sabotage, or money blocks that are stopping us from getting there. If you want to learn more about money blocks too, you can click over here to my video that goes really in depth on where money blocks come from. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a somatic technique called EFT tapping that helps you regulate and relax your nervous system so you can feel calm and comfortable to allow you to receive more money and make more money with less effort. So we're going to start with a round to tap out the emotions around it feeling hard to make money, and then we're going to tap in making more money with less effort. So what I want you to do first is feel into your body and feel how much effort does it feel like for you to have to make money. Do you connect making more money with stress, or do you connect making more money with more time away from your family or more anxiety? If that is the case, this tapping today is going to help you. So feel into your body. What does that feel like on a scale of 0 to 10? 0 being you don't feel like that at all, and 10 feeling making more money feels like a lot of hard work and a lot of effort. So now you know what that number is. I would love to hear what number you started off the session with today and then what number you ended off the session with. So let me know below in the comments when you get to the end. So to start off, we're going to tap on the side of the hand. And you can just repeat after me. Even though it feels like a lot of effort to make money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like a lot of effort to make more money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like I have to put in more effort to make more money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I know I want to make more money. I know I want to bring in more abundance. But it feels like it's going to be so hard to bring more in. You can go to the side of the eye. It feels like it's going to be really hard to make more money. What if making more money brings in more stress? What if making more money brings in more anxiety? You can go to the side of the eye. What if I don't have what it takes? I'm scared it's going to be too much pressure. I'm fearful it's going to take me away from the things that I love. Under the eye. And even though it feels like more effort to make more money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Underneath the nose. When I think of making more money, it feels like more stress. And you can go to the chin. When I think of making more money, it feels like more responsibilities. I equate making more money with too much pressure. And you can go to the collarbone. I don't want to take on more pressure. What if I can't handle all of this pressure? And you can go underneath the arm. And even though it feels like more effort to make more money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And you can go to your wrists. And even though it feels like I'm taking away from the state I like to be in, or the things I love, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Oh. Hi, misters. I have some special guests down here. So congratulations, you made it the first round where you tapped out the feeling of equating making more money with more effort. If you're still feeling from 1 to 10, then what you can do is rewind and go back and do this release round again. And if you're feeling like it's a 0, that's amazing. So let's tap in the feeling that you can make more with less effort. So we'll start at the top of the head. I can bring in more abundance by doing less. And you can go to the side of the eye. There are so many opportunities for abundance for me. And you can go to the side of the eye. Money loves to flow to me. Even when I'm relaxing, even when I'm enjoying my day. Underneath the eye, I can make so much more while doing less. It is safe for me to make more money while doing even less. Let's go underneath the nose. I release all guilt of bringing in abundance, even when I'm not doing anything. And underneath the chin, I release all shame and embarrassment of bringing in more money while doing nothing at all. Collarbone, I am an abundant being. I see myself as rich. I see myself as wealthy. I have a self-concept that I am a successful person. And you can go underneath the arm. I feel good about bringing more money into my life. When good people have more money, good things can happen. And let's go to the wrist. I'm allowed to bring in so much more while doing less. So it is safe for me to attract with ease. I am an abundant being. I release anything that gets in my way of making more while doing less. Congratulations, and thank you for joining me for this session of EFT tapping. So no, you just moved a lot of energy, so it's a really good idea to have a big drink of water and also just reflect on things that have come up for you. And if you want to continue to rewire your subconscious mind for wealth, then click down in the description because I have my Wealth Consciousness Rewiring album. People have been telling me that they've been manifesting money out of the blue, checks out of the blue, unexpected discounts, just from going through the exercises in my Wealth Consciousness Rewiring album. And I've put it at a really, really accessible price. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to save it for later. I love to save all my favorite rituals in a folder on my YouTube called Daily Rituals. So if you love doing EFT, make sure to save your favorite EFT rituals from me to your own folder. Make sure to subscribe if you want more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.